Hello guys! Hello guys, and today we're channel this video. So guys, ako si Kay, ito si Roxanne, si Pipert. So guys, atong gagawin ay unboxing challenge. So ako nag-isa guys, nag-work si Roxanne kasi guys, ako lang nag-vlogger. Ito guys, ang unboxing natin kay itong Apple siya guys. Siya Apple. Kitang iPhone. Ito siya guys. Is so big guys. Ito siya guys is Gucci. Yes, excited ako kasi Gucci guys. So guys, let's start it. So guys, ito akin unboxing. So guys, please subscribe si Bro Andrew Mandig po. So guys, I have a charger. Ito siya guys. Cute siya. Sarap. Oh my god, ito card siya guys. Ano siya sa instruction siya guys. Instruction. Oh my god. So ito guys, para sa phone. Yes. Oh my god, there itong phone design. Shada guys, look. Apple. Oh my god, na siya tulay. Sigat ang ganda ito. Isa plain siya. So guys, ito. Para sa atin. Oh my god, iPhone. My project. AirPods. Wow guys, AirPods. Ito AirPods. Apple AirPods. Oh my god guys, ang ganda itong AirPods. Ablayan natin guys. Charge itong AirPods. Wow, AirPods siya guys. Oh my god, wait. Stuck. These AirPods. Siya guys, connected sa ears. So let's go to some. Flexible siya guys. Ang ganda itong AirPods. Oh my god, cute siya. So let's put in the phone. Instruction niya of charger. Okay, so guys, next one is Gucci. Gucci guys, favorite natin. So open. Oh my god. Rainbow siya guys. Rainbow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. Oh my god. Ang ganda ito guys. Ito. Ang ganda itong Gucci. So cute. Rainbow siya guys. Oh. So cute. Cute guys. Messy na kayo guys. See? It's so even messy. So guys, yeah. So guys, if you like some video and smash down, hit comment in below. Okay, just kidding guys. So I'm just trying. Okay guys, please like and please subscribe and please share and comment. See ya guys. Bye.